Hey there, Alan from Ural Junkie. How's it going? Hey, I thought I'd show you the kind of stuff I'm going to be taking with me. Most of this stuff, in fact, all of it will go in the sidecar. So kind of starting out, this is a camp chair, my tent. This is a little roll-up table. This is a little quilt down. My sleeping bag, I've had this since 1972. It is a down sleeping bag, and it is been pretty good to me. Over here we have a bivvy. Now you might ask yourself, what in the heck are you doing with a bivvy when you have a tent? But I was thinking, say you kind of had to stop and sleep someplace, but you couldn't put up a tent. I can put this bivvy underneath the sidecar and actually sleep underneath the sidecar without having to put up a tent. This is my electrical bag. It has got flashlights, power banks, water bottle, electrical cords. I built this last winter when there was nothing to do, but it is cords for just about everything. The flashlights I use are made by Olight, so they're rechargeable with a little magnetic base. I have a camp tarp. This is my sleeping pad, my pillow. Over there is a thermos water bottle. This bag here is all of my camping kitchen stuff. It's got the stoves, food, everything I need for camping. This bag here is a miscellaneous bag. It's got a little bit of everything. And one of the things that it has in it is my fire kit that I built last winter as well. This has every known fire starting method to man. I could start a fire anywhere. If you ever want to see what all is in here, let me know. Again, miscellaneous. I have a water filter, little camp towel, and I'm sure there'll be other stuff going in here. And then last is this bag here. Ooh. This has one of my Olight flashlights on it, a knife. Inside is a 45 ACP, and since I'm not going up to bear country, I didn't need to take my 44 Magnum, so I'll just take the little wimpy 45 instead. I will show you what the sidecar looks like with all this stuff packed up. Let me show you two other things that I will also be carrying. This is my tail bag with a waterproof bag inside of it, but in here is going to go, I have warm gloves, just stuff to keep me warm in case it gets cold. And then up here is my tank bag. I've got a map of where I'm going. You saw this map the other day. But in here I have a satellite SOS sender. I have my camera, a couple lenses with a little camera holder thing that I built out of spare foam. Got some cables in it. And that's about it for that. And although I have a bunch of waterproof roll top bags, which I used to use, my son gave me a couple of these, and I'm going to use this because it's low profile. Have all my clothes in here, as well as my liners for jacket and pants, in case it gets cold. So I should be a little bit more streamlined aerodynamically. So let me show you what it's all looks like after it's fitted into the sidecar. I guess one note before I do that is my USB hub is just absolutely fabulous. I did stick this in here. That is a charger for my drone batteries, so I can charge them up while I'm riding. Okay, that is all that stuff loaded in the sidecar, and it looks like a lot of stuff, and honestly it is, but it all fits, and it still gives me the seat to put other stuff on. I did put a couple things in the back. I put my electrical pack, the 45, and I also put in a couple of Nalgene water bottles, and also strapped this on with some rock straps. And I'll have a little bungee net over this as well. So I think that's pretty much it. That's all what I'm taking with me. I'm gonna leave in a couple days, but thought I'd do these videos first. So anyway, I will see you later on the trip. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.